since we're in the heart of spring, that means it's time to break down how tornadoes actually form. I made a graphic here for you, and let's take a look at that graphic because we need three things for thunderstorms to develop. That is heat, moisture, and a lifting mechanism. But when you add winds to that at certain levels of the atmosphere, wind shear, that plays a huge role in how these storms start to rotate. So what is wind shear? Well, take a look at it here. You see the winds at the lower layers of the atmosphere, right at the surface, are coming in from the south, using this example. And then say around 5,000 feet, the winds are stronger and they're making their way in from the southwest. As I advance this graphic, this forms an invisible tube. So there's your winds changing with direction or speed with height. So as the winds go up from the ground to the cloud and they change in direction or they increase in speed, that is known as shear. And shear will develop an invisible tube. This is a horizontal tube, but when you have thunderstorms that develop, that layer of warm air getting drawn into the thunderstorm, the updraft allows that tube to tilt back down to the ground. And there you see, once that tube reaches the ground, you really have a tornado develop in perfect conditions because you always have the battle of the warm air being drawn in from the storm and then also the cold downdraft air or cooler downdraft air actually choking off some of that warmer air. So things have to line up perfectly for storms to produce tornadoes.